If you're a solo business owner, a trainer, coach, interested in having your own branded mobile app, you absolutely need to watch this video, because if you move quick, I'm going to publish this as soon as it's recorded. And if you move quick, you can actually get a custom app made for your business for free. Watch very carefully. This isn't a gimmick. This isn't some marketing crap. This is an actual sensible business proposition that you need to consider if you want to make revenue online in 2026. Remember where you've heard it first. On the screen at the moment, I've got my mobile app. So this is my Help with Digital app. On there are courses. As you can see, I've got some communities on there. I've got some group chats, a bit like WhatsApp style things. I've got coaching programs on there. I've got various different resources, blogs, video libraries. I can do events. I can do one-to-one calls with people. I can do group calls from inside my app. I literally connect with people from around the world. Now, if you're interested in having the same for your business, you want to pay attention to this video. Now, I keep it no secret whatsoever that I'm a certified expert for these guys here, EasyCourse. Now, EasyCourse is actually one of 5 core products that belong to the family, and I'm focusing on EasyCourse today. I will talk more over the coming weeks about the other products that are available. But the reason I want to talk about EasyCourse is, as I'm recording this video, there isn't very long left on the offer that you can see at the top of the screen. So you can have your own white label mobile app for free, and included with that is a Zoom premium license. That means you can have live events, live meetings, live one-to-one calls, live group sessions from within your app, and you can also save 50% on the unlimited plan that gets you basically all you can eat. So if you want more information about this, just drop me a message, leave me a comment, drop me an email, carrier pigeon, whatever it is, and I will answer any questions you've got. But you need to move quick on this. This offer will disappear. Okay, let me explain what EasyCourse is. There is a growing trend of people that want to sell their knowledge online. I speak to marketing consultants, sales trainers, well-being experts, business coaches, nutrition and fitness people. All manner of different people out there have got amazing knowledge that they want to package up and sell online. But the tech is a little bit confusing and a little bit challenging, and that's where I work with my clients to help them get their head around this. And I've been working with EasyCourse now for a couple of years, and there's a reason that I chose them in the first place. And actually having my own branded app is like game changing. Sorry to use AI language, but it is game changing. Like I say, I've built courses, communities, resources, one-to-one coaching solutions, a lot of stuff inside my own app, and this is the work that I help my clients with. So what do you get inside EasyCourse? Well, what you can do is you can create a variety of different digital products and offerings to suit your clients. And the obvious choice that people think about when they think about putting their knowledge online is courses. And you can see on the screenshot here, I can create courses on, whatever topic that I'm creating on. I can have different price points for those. This is a landing page that gives me more information about the course. And you can see people can just enroll on them, buy them, help themselves to those on-demand courses. But, courses don't just have to be on demand. They can be also blended in with live products and events and, communities and that sort of stuff. Next up, I want to show you the coaching feature. So let's say you're a nutrition coach and you're working with people to help them live a healthier life. Well, as you can see on the screen here, very easy to share meal plans with people, very easy to share recipes and that sort of stuff in a way that people can see and track their macronutrients. that you can have activities that help people to develop their knowledge, maybe on gym workouts and that sort of stuff. As a coach, you can track all of your clients, and you can also encourage people to set habits as well. So things like recording their water intake, or how much exercise that they've done, or maybe you're a stress busting expert and you want to log how long people have done meditations for, or you might be a marketing coach and you want to get people kind of tracking habits around social media posting and that sort of stuff, or maybe as a sales trainer you want to kind of set some targets around that. So yeah, habit tracking built in to your course is a really good thing, because anyone can create a course. Getting people to complete them and engage with them is a completely different thing altogether. That's where my qualifications and background in learning and development come into play. Now, I'm a big, fond fan of communities. I've learned loads from conversations with people. And, you can have conversation with live events, but the challenge there is, getting a space where everybody can meet up at the same time. So actually a community serves a good purpose, because you can get learning done in what I call an asynchronous way. So that's kind of an on-demand version where people can write a post and then other people can comment on it at a time that's convenient to them. So communities are powerful, and, very often with online courses, you don't get to interact with the author or the tutor and things like that. So having a community wrapped around your course is a really good thing to do, because straight away the engagement level goes through the roof, and actually the price point can increase as well. The more access people have to you, the higher the price point that you can charge. A big thing with online learning as well is the time involved in just engaging with people and interacting with people. And you want to do that on a human level, but also there's certain bits that you can automate. And that's where the email automation functions of a platform like EasyCourse come in. When it comes to onboarding sequences, somebody's just enrolled on your program. Maybe you want kind of an automation of kind of email things that happen, maybe an email sequence, but maybe you want to kind of track and tag people in different ways as they've completed different steps. Maybe you want to kind of automate an email when they've completed a particular course or a lesson, or maybe you want to, drip feed content in a way that says, right, when people have completed this section, I'm then going to unlock these resources or whatever. So there's loads that you can do there. Now, a mobile app is usually really, really expensive, tens of thousands of pounds. And this is what I've closely followed with the guys at EasyCourse. Their knowledge in terms of not just building websites and user experiences and learning solutions, but their experience in them putting that into a mobile app is incredible. Give you an example of that. Somebody enrolled, a guy from Europe enrolled on my program, and in my app I get a notification when somebody enrolls onto one of my programs, and the notification came into the app that this guy had joined, and I was able to video call him there and then, like literally the moment he put his card details in, he'd sent me some money, he'd joined the program, I literally clicked a button and I've had a video one-to-one call with him there and then to say thank you. Mobile apps are really, really powerful. And I guess the other thing to say as well, if you've got an online platform, I don't know, Kajabi, Teachable, Thinkific, whatever, you're out there, school. If you're just web-based on that platform, then you've only kind of got a couple of ways of notifying people of things. Number one is by email. Well, I don't know about you, but my email box is getting really busy at the moment, and there's a lot of stuff in it that I don't read. So, when you've only got emails as a way of talking to people, you're very much restricted in terms of how much attention you can get from them. The other way of kind of alerting people on a web-based platform is by having, web-enabled notifications. But honestly, a lot of platforms don't have that. EasyCourse do. In fact, here's a story for you. When people have accepted notifications on my site, they can be literally anywhere on the internet. They can be browsing Facebook or LinkedIn, or they can be, checking their emails or whatever. They don't even need to be on my site. But when something happens on my site, that they need a notification for, that pops up in their browser. So this is really powerful stuff, and I've only really kind of seen that done this well with EasyCourse. Now, if you haven't yet checked out EasyCourse, there is a link in the description of this video. Takes you straight to them. Please do get in touch with me, ask me any questions you've got. I've very often, because I'm a certified expert, I've got access to kind of a lot of resources and offers and all sorts of things for you. So yeah, that is the mobile app. Just a powerful feature. You know, the fact that I can send push notifications out on my app, I can send that to everybody, I can send it to specific students, I can send it to individual people if I want to. It's really good. And then the drag and drop builder that comes with the website side of things. So you don't have to have a mobile app, but honestly, it's so cool to have one. And like I say, this offer that is there for only the next couple of days allows you to get your hands on that. Spoiler alert, the guys are working and very close to having the drag and drop builder interface in position for the mobile app as well. So this is like really cool. You can customize your mobile app in exactly the way that you want it to. What you're looking at on the screen here is the drag and drop builder for the website builder. So as part of EasyCourse, you get a whole kind of website building package as well that allows you to create some really stunning websites. Now, I do want to talk about coaching kind of in other videos because there's a lot to go through there. But within EasyCourse, there are a lot of features of a modern platform. You know, we're in 2025 now. We've moved on from the click next to continue types of e-learning. There's lots more features that we need. There's a lot more kind of modern tools that are available. Some of the ones you can see on the screen. So this one here, the AI subtitles generator, you'll recognize that guy there. This is where you can automatically generate accurate subtitles for your videos using AI. And I've used this a couple of times and all right, yeah, okay. You can translate, you can get transcripts really easy these days. But what I really like about this is you can then convert those transcripts and those captions into multiple languages. So literally I can connect with people around the world now. And, that tool in particular, if I want to translate a video into French or German or I was going to say Australian then, but you get the idea. DRM solution, I'll just explain what that is very quickly. That's digital rights management. So it's possible, isn't it, for people to rip off your content, to copy and paste, to download, to screen record, and this sort of stuff. This is a really good feature within the EasyCourse add-ons where you can protect your content and you can disable some of the things that would allow people to steal your stuff. Multi-currency feature is quite good. That's where you can kind of set currencies up in for different countries. So people in one country see one currency. Automatically, when people visit from another country, they see a different currency. The built-in Zoom integration is incredible. It's incredible. I've got that within my own platform, and that allows me to literally have live sessions within my mobile app or within my platform. I can actually put live lessons within the course curriculum, so you can have some on-demand content that people work through, but you can have some live lessons in there as well. So loads and loads of stuff. I haven't even scratched the surface with this. There is so much to tell you about, and this is where I'm going. You know what I mean? It's helping small business owners, trainers, coaches to get their knowledge online and monetize that and make money. And if you're serious about doing this in 2026, you want to be making a move now. We're in September. Time is running away. But there's so much that I'm going to be unpacking around EasyCourse, Easy Studio, and 3 other products that I haven't even named yet. And if you want a hand setting any of this up, if you've got any questions, if you need somebody to work with you, please do get in touch with me. I'm struggling on capacity in terms of my calendar availability at the moment, but all the time there's new slots that are coming available, and there's new kind of things that I'm doing and new material that's going out there. So just, if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Helps as well if you like this video, and leave me any comments. If you're on LinkedIn, Facebook, wherever you are, please follow me, because this is building and growing now, and everything that you do to kind of support my channel allows me to get more of this content out there for free, to help you to save a lot of time and a lot of money. So yeah, that's where I am with all of that. I am really excited about this, really excited. This is a lot of work that's been in the making for a long period of time. I've been with these guys for a long time, and I couldn't not record this video and let this offer that you can see on the screen slip by. Now, I've followed these guys for a while. When they put an offer out and say it's going to end, it ends, right? So they never ever go backwards with price. They always kind of go forward. And to see the way in which the features of this platform have grown, incredible. And you've got a couple of days, depending on what you're watching this video. I do recommend you check the link in the description if you've not come across EasyCourse. That is my affiliate link. It doesn't cost you any more to purchase through that link. I do get a little bit of a thank you back from them, but that's not why I'm here. I literally want to help good people like you get their knowledge online and turn that into the revenue that you deserve. So do check it out, and book a demo with the guys if you want to. There's a nice little chat feature, and somebody is always logged on there, so you can ask any questions you've got there as well. Please do ask your questions to me. Leave me a comment, send me a message if you want to do that privately. Yeah, just exciting times. Really looking forward to the whole of 2026, really. And if you want to be a part of that, get your knowledge online, please do let me know if you've got any questions. I'll see you next time.
Business owner with your head in your hands, stressed out trying to keep up with technology's demands. Whether you're part of a team or a one-person band, where on earth are you focused to deliver your plans? Are you nervous to progress with all the options out there? Well, let me introduce you to a breath of fresh air, a way for you to reach your organizational dreams. Teach yourself some digital skills and all that it means. Come up with some schemes, but don't assume it will be easy to create content and manage communities. So how do you scale? How do you multiply yourself? How do you create an offer that people can buy off the shelf? Make some serious money that might lead to some wealth. Introducing AD House, there's really no one else. Technology's moving fast, so don't get left behind. Click the link below and join AD's digital tribe.